I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me.
So the best thing to do when you get to a new city is to walk around and just get a feel for the place, and that's what we did today. So we're gonna just go around the area, find somewhere to change some money, get a bike potentially, and eat some food. Hello. 9725. Let's do 50 for now, I think. Sounds good to me.
So happy to.
72.5. Bamboo construction, still probably better than Sydney properties right now. Some guy on the motorbike just stopped by and he basically find out. He said, are you a blogger? I said, yeah, I'll make some vlogs. And he said he's got 5 restaurants and he said you can just come to any of them and you can eat free. I guess it's, you know, he wants me to show it in a vlog. Look what I found. Wow. You like? Small balls though. We got one more objective today is to get a motorbike, and I think hello. Motorbikes for rent?
Yeah.
How much?
Which one? Big one or small one?
What's the how much is this one? How much that one?
That one's this is 200 and that 150
200 per day?
per day.
200
And
and 150. That's a lot. Why is it so expensive?
no, not expensive. This is cheaper.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, right? This very finger for people like them. Oh, no, no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown. You make me feel so good. Oh.
It's a boutique hotel.
Colony Hotel. So I'm here at Colony Hotel and I just randomly walked in just to have a quick chat and see what the place looks like, because it looks like very unique design, and yep, it is a boutique hotel, so that's why. Checking out some of the rooms to see what it looks like. Ah, it's really nice. Ah, it looks like heaven. Beautiful. Oh wow. Yep.
No children.
No children, that's perfect. Wow. Oh my god. Can I email you now?
I'll show you another wing.
Okay.
Originally, we only have this wing,
Right.
but we are expanding.
Uh-huh. How long has this hotel has been open?
It's already 8 years.
8 years, wow.
Yes. And this is the club. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Wow. So peaceful. That's beautiful. Ah, I love the design here.
Yes, alright.
Oh wow.
Sunset drinks at the lounge.
You got drinks there. What facilities does it come with? Like, so you got swimming pool
Yes.
and any gym?
Gym is still getting the equipment at the
Still,
front.
okay. Beautiful. All right, so there might be a proper video of this place coming out in the next few days, so look out for that. There are way too many hotels in Bali, right? How do you know which one's good, which one's bad? Because there's a lot of times when you book somewhere, the photos that you see on the website don't actually match what the hotel actually is like. So part of my goal during this trip that I'm doing right now is to showcase hotels that are beautiful and worth the price. I get coconut, how much?
20,000.
Yeah, I'll just get one, please. Thank you. It's cold, yeah?
Yes.
Thank you. Bye. It's the rush hour right now, so traffic is at full swing. It's a 6 gig, but technically it's 4 gig and 2 gig for video call, I guess. 100 rupees, so 10 bucks for a week. Yeah, that's not too bad. Everyone selling this outside, 300, 350. Yeah, it's crazy. Like 6 gig, I think 9 gig said 350. Crazy, right? Because tourists, you know, stupid tourists, so that's what happens.
You must think the shop in here.
Always, shop is always correct. There you go, that's a point for you. So if you're looking for SIM card, come to the shop. JNE Express, what is the name of this shop?
This the name Om Diesel
Om Diesel.
in Pilitangan Street.
I'll put the address down below in the description. But basically the idea is if you're looking for SIM card or anything, buy it from the shop, not from the people standing out on the street, right? That's common sense. Circle K is pretty popular in Vietnam, but over here too. Hello, how are you? Alright, let's see. What do we like here? Go for... I might grab a beer, I'd say. Yeah? Yeah, that looks good.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello. How are you? This is your farm? Cool.
Okay.
What do you have?
Effort.
What do you have? What's this? Is this vegetable for cooking?
Yeah. Kangkong.
Kangkong?
Yeah.
Kangkong.
Water spinach.
Oh, like spinach?
Water spinach.
Water spinach?
Yeah.
Ah, it's a farm here.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
It's
Cool.
for the vegetable.
Vegetables, okay.
This is with saute.
Yeah.
Just with garlic little bit.
Ah, okay.
Red onion with a bit salt, and we
Nice. So,
put the oil.
uh-huh.
Saute.
Do you sell this in the market somewhere or?
Yeah.
To the shops or?
Yeah, in the shop, in the market. They have
Oh, wow.
special.
Do you live here?
No. I'm
stay here?
No, someone.
You live here?
No. He's no.
Somebody stay
I'm
here.
a popular fillet.
Oh,
I
okay.
just will take a little bit. I cut with the small thing.
Small piece. Oh, okay. And
Small
selling later. Can I have a look there?
Yeah,
Is it
you
okay?
can. You
Is
can.
that okay?
You can. Be careful.
Thank you. Looks cool.
Yeah, good.
Oh wow. Smell fresh.
Yeah. Fresh.
Ah, wow.
Come on. You can look there.
Okay.
You can look there. Yeah.
It's okay. Thank you. Wow. So there's the farm over here, and they're actually still farming. That's pretty cool. So all these plants grow. There's some more over there. I actually don't know. I don't know what it is. That's bananas for sure. So you got bananas. You got this spinach looking vegetable. I'm not sure if that's spinach or not. And then you got chili here. Beautiful chilies. Amazing. That's cool. So they're growing chilies, bananas. There's a big farm, like it's got everything. Do you think I should be selling this land to make a hostel? Because my hostel is about 5 minutes from here. It's quite interesting. But it's cool that they're actually still making a living here by farming. Because that's like, it's slowly dying in Bali, I'd say. That's interesting. That's awesome. Okay, thank you so much.
Where you come from?
Sydney, Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Where you stay?
I'm staying like 5 minutes from here. Just
Where?
hostel, Socialista.
Oh, Solita.
Yeah, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm staying there a few days.
Thank you.
Thanks for showing me. Yeah, thank you. See ya. Oh, thank you. Bye. Bye. So amongst all these buildings and developments and hotels and 5-star resorts, you know, there's still a few rice fields and some farms still left, and people are still farming, which is cool to see. You know, I actually think it's more interesting than seeing this, like, you know, this hotel right here.